What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Hedera Hashgraph and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First thing first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know YouTube is currently censoring our content. From what we can tell, our reach to new viewers is officially down around 80% lower than it was a month ago, so make sure to hit the like, it just really helps the channel out. We've just hit 10k subscribers as well, so thank you all so much for all of your support. We make daily crypto videos, so make sure to check back every day or join the free Telegram in the description to get up to date with every video when it's posted. So if we take a look at Hedera Hashgraph here, we haven't looked at Hedera in a few weeks, but as you can see, it does seem as though it's still perfectly respecting the channel that we have been talking about for some time here. As you can see, we've basically been trading downwards inside of this channel pretty much, since the start of March. We've got this big run up for Hedera here over the course of a week or so, where it basically ran from around 11 cents here all the way to around 45 cents. And then since then, we've been selling off and selling off and selling off and selling off and selling off, and moving downwards inside of this channel here, as you can see. So basically what it's looking like is we're forming a very nice long bull flag on our daily time frame here. This is something that we've been talking about a lot, and a lot of people don't seem to agree, but we do think that this is probably a very bullish indicator, as you can see. Now obviously no one likes to see their cryptos trading downwards in a channel like this for extended periods of time, because it can be quite boring and annoying to a certain extent. But as you can see, it does look as though we are showing some signs that Hedera is definitely looking like it could be getting a reversal pretty soon. As you can see, we've actually been back testing previous levels of support here. As you can see, in this area here, we back tested this previous swing high at around 15 to 16 cents here, and obviously we've tested this previous swing low of this similar area here at around 14 cents as well. So it looks like we are slowly coming back and back testing lots of areas of support, because as you can see, we pretty much just went straight up here without back testing any previous levels of support. We went up in a straight line, and then since then we've been selling off and back testing. And obviously it did look as though we were about to get some nice breaks to the upside in this area here, but obviously with the wider market sell-off, we have been seeing the price of Hbar rolling over like this, pretty much purely just because of Bitcoin leading the market down. So it seems as though, from what we can tell, Hbar is showing good signs of life right now. We're on the daily time frame here, and as you can see, we are getting very oversold. This is something that we have been talking about a lot recently and rattling on about, but we do think it's very important to note this. As you can see, if we just take a look here, the last time that we were this oversold was about, we would say, this area here, the 23rd of December. Obviously, as you can see, we fell down here from 4-ish cents down to around there 2.5 cents, so we dropped around 25-30% here. And then obviously afterwards, as you can see, we consolidated sideways for about a week or so here, and you can see what happened after this. So quite clear that Hbar does have the ability to run when it wants to, and the last time we were this oversold, we did see a very nice reversal to the upside. So obviously it's really good to see that Hbar does have the potential to show signs of life. Obviously we were very oversold here as well. As you can see, we could say we were incredibly oversold on our daily time frame here in September, but we did manage to hold some decent levels of support here. We've chopped it sideways for quite a long time here, got on one last sell-off to try and shake people out, and then we went boom off to the races. So as you can see, you could probably equate this to being a similar circumstance where we're kind of trading downwards and sideways here, something like this, where we're trading downwards and sideways, kind of inside a channel like this, chopping sideways. It's not interesting, it's pretty boring. And then obviously in this area here, we were doing this for about a few months here, I would say. This is September, October, November, December, so three-ish months, we would say, of chopping it sideways like this, which is actually quite a similar time frame to what we're looking at now. Got March, April, May, June. We're just heading into July here. And as you can see, we are basically backtesting these previous levels that we have actually come up to. So we do think this is very healthy for Hedera. We don't think it's dead by any means. I mean, how can you look at this chart and think that Hedera is dead? A lot of people are saying that they think Hedera is basically completely dead at this point and it's not going to do anything. It's basically just a dead coin that's not doing anything. But I mean, if you take a look over the past few years, it has ran from around 1 cent all the way to 45, 50 cents. We're currently trading at around 20 cents at the time recording this video. So people who bought Hedera back here, congratulations, you're still well up on your investment. And as you can see on in March here, we did actually have a very nice, I mean, this recovery was almost instantaneous. It's pretty incredible, really. A lot of cryptos got absolutely smashed down by the 2020 crash of March. And then it seems as though Hedera actually recovered literally in the space of a day, which is absolutely insane. So there's been times, obviously, as you can see, where Hedera has been really, really oversold. But if you'd actually been patient with Hedera, you would have reaped the benefits. It's pretty obvious here. Hedera was very, very oversold. And then obviously we got this massive bounce to the upside here. And then the last time we were looking at this kind of oversold territory for Hedera, as we are more oversold than this point now, from what we can tell by our chart here. So the last time we were this oversold for Hedera, we were looking at something like this in this area here. Generally looking at these levels here where we're really oversold. And then you can see we consolidated, we chopped it sideways, and then we absolutely ripped to the upside because we are in a bull market and we still do think this. So in our opinion, nothing wrong with Hedera's price action at the minute. It's pretty much doing exactly what it's expected. It's still trading downwards inside this channel that we've outlined for literally months now. And until we get a breakout from this, we probably will continue to see Hedera moving downwards in this channel. But it does look as though we are starting to backtest these good levels of support here. And there's one thing that we do think is looking pretty good. As you can see with our EMAs here, we have actually broken up above our 20 EMA on the daily time frame here. And we are trying to hold it as support right now. And I do think if we could hold this as support, start to bring the EMA up like this and force us to retest the channel. I do think if we got a breakout from this channel and a retest, we could potentially be looking at tackling the 55 as well, which is probably going to be doing something like this, where it basically starts to come around like this with and then if we can get that nice cross of our EMAs as well as the breakout confirmation of this channel that we've basically been stuck in for some time, we could be looking at some very nice upside for Hedera in our opinion. So just take a look at the 1 hourly chart here so we can get an idea of what's going on. So obviously, as you can see, we tested the bottom of the channel here a few weeks ago. Came back up to the middle of the channel, chopped it sideways in this channel between 16 and 20 cents that we've been inside of for a few weeks here, which it broke up and retested perfectly the top of this wider descending channel we've been in for some time here for the last 3 or 4 months now. Obviously, we got rejected, so we've come back down now and we're chopping it sideways inside the channel. But I do think if we are going to hold that EMA on the daily time frame here, as you can see, if we can actually hold that as support and then retest this level here, we do really want to be breaking out of this channel, retesting it as support, and then we could be looking at some nice upside for Hbar. So short-term price prediction, it's really difficult to know. We're probably going to be trending downwards inside this channel until we get the breakout, as you can see. But we do think in the long term, Hedera is going to be a top project. It's obviously got a lot of backers, a lot of big money players getting involved with it. And if it gets adopted for CBDCs, which looks increasingly likely considering what we've been seeing, then I mean, $5 to $10 per token would be our price prediction for the next year or so as we go into the second half of this bull run, basically. Let's just take a quick look at the weekly time frame here. A lot of big people have been saying there's a bear market, but from what we can tell, we're not seeing any signs of a bear market whatsoever, as you can see quite clearly here. We have backtested the 55 and we bounced off it very strong as support. Looks as though we're currently chopping it up in between the 20 and the 55, so we're probably just going to be consolidating like this. And it does look as though we're going to reach a decision where we'll either start breaking down below the 55 here, or we will be breaking up out of this channel. So in either instance, obviously something's going to happen, but in our opinion, considering how nicely we have been consolidating here inside this channel, backtesting previous levels of support, getting a lot of structural confidence, I would say, the break to the upside is probably quite likely in the next few weeks if we can get that bullish action for Bitcoin that we're looking for. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below. or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.